Hi everyone, it's Mimi. I am back with some more destashes. In this video, I will be destashing some rubber stamps. There are a mixture of some clear stamps in there, and I will share that with you when I go over the lots. I have 7 lots available. They will be first come, first served. US only, PayPal only, through friends and family. And I do ask that you please pay promptly when I give you notification if the lot or lots that you're interested in are available. My email address will be in the description box below. So if you are interested in anything that you see, please go ahead and email me. So I have a lot to go over, so let's get started. So the first lot will be a My Besties lot. You will get 4 clear stamps. This slot will be $18 shipped. So you will get Bashful Betty Bestie. This one has been used, as well as the Rosy Hot Cocoa. But it still looks pretty brand new. This one I did stamp out a bunch. I did clean it really well, so it will have no problem stamping out. And then you will get 2 of these, I guess they're called Fluffy Betties, or I'm sorry, Fluffy Besties. So you will get Big Sexy Fluffy Surprise. It is super cute. And the Parfait Fluffy Bestie. And these 2 have never been used. So again, the My Besties lot, $18 shipped. The second lot will be a Julie Nutting lot. You will get these 4 stamps. This lot will be $18 shipped. You will get Mindy, and none of these have ever been used. I don't know if she has a name. She doesn't, but she looks like this. This one doesn't have a name either. And this one. So it looks like the only one that has a name was the first one. So again, this is the Julie Nutting lot for $18 shipped. Next, I have La La Land Crafts. You will get 4 of the Marcy rubber stamps. And I'm also throwing in this Penny Black stamp. This is called Birthday Girl. Super, super cute. So you will get, it just says Marcy. Oh, I'm sorry. It's New Year Marcy. And it does include some sentiments. You will get Sitting Marcy, Ruffles Marcy, and Picture Perfect Match. So you will get these 5 rubber stamps, $22 shipped. Okay, I have a CC Designs lot. This lot will be $26 shipped. A couple of these do have coordinating dies that go along with it. So you will get Cupid. I absolutely loved coloring her up. And she is the one that does come with a coordinating die. I've never used this. So it cuts her out, and then there's some other shapes that you can layer. You will also get Rose with Balloon. And this one comes with a coordinating die as well. I've never used this either. You will get Puppy Kiki LaRue. This one I've never used. It's not even trimmed. This dog is so super cute. And lastly, you will get this Big Bow Brigitte. And this is when they switched over to clear stamps. So this is the CC Designs lot, $26 shipped. Next is a Magnolia Tilda lot. This will be $45 shipped. You get a bunch of these stamps. Some of these don't have names or pictures, so if you are interested in seeing what they look like, you can pause the video and you can Google it and you can see what the image looks like. So this one is Summer Buzz Tilda. That's what she looks like. These are all so super cute. This one is Summer Strawberry Tilda. This one is Follow Me Tilda. This is, I don't know, but she's the one with the stars. This one is called Crazy Love Cling Stamp. She has a big bouquet of flowers. So much fun to color. You will also get this Sitting Teddy. These last few are older Tildas. This one is Sitting Tilda with Candy Cane. This is a wedding theme. So it's Tilda and Edwin. And lastly, I don't know what the name of this one is. Looks like she's dancing. So you will get these 9 stamps for $45 shipped. Okay, the next lot is a Stamping Bella lot. You will get these 6 stamps. Most of them have actually never been used. And this will be $45 shipped. And these are the blue rubber. This one is the Tiny Towny Sally and Her Snail, and it does come with a sentiment. She is so adorable, and it's a very good size. You will also get, I think the rest of these are the Uptown Girls collection. So you will get Callista Loves to Craft. This one has never been used. This is Catherine Nibbling Chocolate. I think I might have stamped this out once. This one is Bubbles Loves Her Bubbly. Super adorable. This one is Uptown Girl Paisley Has a Prezi. It is adorable. And the last one is Caitlin's Having a Cupcake Party. Basically, you can create a whole card just with this stamp because it has a scene for you. That's what that one looks like. So that's a really good size. Okay, so you will get these 6 Stamping Bella stamps for $45 shipped. Okay, the last lot is a pretty big lot. This is the Saturated Canary lot. It will be $58 shipped. You will get 10 of the Saturated Canary stamps, and I'm also throwing in these little darling rubber stamps as well. These are unmounted. You can use them with your stamp positioner, or you can go ahead and get the foam and mount them yourself. There is one stamp, which is this one, that is pre-mounted. The rest, so the other 9 are unmounted. So you will get Playtime, Tawny, Breeze, There's Always Tomorrow, Cherry on Top, Ava, Jeannie, Charmings, Stinker, and Reading Beauty. These are all so super, super cute. So like I said, you will get 10 of the Saturated Canary and then 2 of the Little Darlings. I think this is a great deal at $58 shipped. So if you're interested in any of these lots, please go ahead and email me and stay tuned. In the next day or so, I will have either 1 or 2 videos with some stamps and some dies that I have to basically sort out. And I will be destashing that really soon. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you saw something that you might be interested in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.